Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and I like to colour. I just wanted to quickly do a little tutorial on bricks. Fascinating, I know. Everybody loves to colour a brick. Well, some people do. I don't mind it. It actually looks alright when you're finished. So I'm just going to do 4 varieties. Now with these ones you don't, like most things with coloured pencils, you usually need sharp pencils, but with bricks you're better off to not have a sharp pencil. You want some of the white or tooth of the paper to come through. So I'm going to start with peach. Just doing a very light covering. Next is terracotta. See, it's not sharp at all. And I'm just going to draw a line around the outside using quite firm pressure. And then here I'm going to do light circles. And then along here I'm going to bring it in by doing dark lines. And you want to bring it in about, you want to leave about that much. I don't have the technical amount or the exact amount of how much you want to leave, but you want to leave about that much. And now I've got burnt ochre. And with the burnt ochre, just around the edges, I'm going to do circles just to blend it in. And then just go straight across. Not perfect, not covering everything, very lightly. Don't want it to cover everything. And then I have the terracotta again. And just randomly draw some lines. Now next is nectar. Would you believe we never have sirens here? Never. And one is very slowly going past. Dark brown. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing with the dark brown. That I did with this one. So the circles here just to lightly bring it in. And then the strokes or lines to give it a little bit of depth. This one is the brownish coloured brick because bricks aren't all the same colour. And this is a light umber. There is nothing saying that you can't do the dark umber again, doing the lines. There is nothing saying that you can't do the bricks all the same colour. It looks fine. But sometimes you just want to add a little bit of spice to your bricks. So the next one is the beige sienna. I realised this angle is really difficult for me, and I realised I could just flip it around and act like they're on top, but it's too late now. I'm almost done. So beige sienna and my teeny tiny Tuscan red. And I think it's teeny tiny because I have to sharpen it so many times because it breaks so many times, which is really, really frustrating, but it is what it is. So do the circles there and the lines here. Like I said, you don't want it to be smooth and blended. This is one of the few things that you don't want blended because bricks are rough. Where's my burnt ochre? It's disappeared. It's gone for a walk. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Right in front of my face. This is burnt ochre again. So circles around the edge just to blend it in, and then go straight across there, not covering it, not hard. And then come along with your lines. You could even do dots if you wanted a lot more lines and dots. Mix it up. And this is the final one. This angle is really difficult to colour in. So that's peach, and then I'm going to get henna. Go around the outside. Fairly dark. Heavy pressure. And then light pressure to do this. And then fairly heavy pressure to do these lines. And then the burnt ochre. And henna again for the lines. It's really hard to do things randomly, but do your best to try and do the lines randomly. And for the concrete or the grout, this is 10% cool grey. I'm doing fairly heavy pressure here. That's a lot of concrete. And 90% cool grey. And you don't want to cover the whole, you want to leave a line of the 10% grey. So you're just trying to get the line there away. So you're just trying to get that line there and leave some white. Now it can be hard depending on how much grout, or it's not grout, concrete you have, room you have there. I did it on the right hand side, the darkness, because I'm just going to get this. It's it's really hard to see. Oh no, there it is. That's my son. You got to pick where your light source is coming from. So my light source is coming from here. So the shade and the darkness is going to be on the right hand side. If you have your light source coming from the top here, it's going to be different, and if you decide to put it on the right or underneath, then it's going to be different, and where you put your dark grey is going to be different. I just thought I would show you a quick tutorial on bricks. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.